Welcome to the second lesson in the PrintJourney course. In this lesson, we're going to go over how to configure PrintJourney, connect it to your print-on-demand platform, and make sure that everything is up and running properly. In this tutorial, we'll be using Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that helps you connect with fulfillers all over the world. That means when your product is ordered, that order is sent to a fulfiller who will create your product, they'll print it, package it, and ship it out for you. To learn more, go to printify.com. If you don't already have a Printify account, you can sign up on their website for free at printify.com. After signing up for Printify, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. This is a brand new profile, and as you can see, it's already connected to one Etsy store. We'll have other videos showing you how to connect Printify to those stores, and Printify itself has great documentation on how to connect your Printify account to your shop. After creating a Printify account, you'll want to head to PrintJourney. You can log in. I'll click on sign in with Google. And after I'm signed in, I'm greeted with the onboarding page. Now to connect Printify, it's as simple as clicking on connect. That'll take me to an OAuth page, meaning this is a secure connection between PrintJourney and Printify. For store name, you can just say PrintJourney. We won't actually be creating a store here. All we're doing is labeling the connection. You can click on allow to proceed. And just like that, you're redirected back to PrintJourney. Now, just a note here. If you have multiple Printify stores linked to one Printify account, all of those stores will be linked to PrintJourney, and you can select which store you want to publish products to. Now to continue through onboarding, we're greeted with three templates. The first one is a square frame canvas, the second one is a square sticker, and the third one is a spun polyester square pillow. We'll go further into what templates are. For now, I'll click on the square frame canvas, and I'll click on next. Here we can select a design. I like this synthwave car design, so I'm going to click on that. We'll go next. And now we've got a publish form. Now in the publish form, we've got our design. We've got a description of that design, and we've got a template. When I click on Publish Draft, PrintJourney will take this information and it will apply the design to my square framed canvas and send it off to Printify. Now after publishing the draft, I'm back at my dashboard page, and you can see that my store is now synced to PrintJourney. Now if I go to my stores, I'll see Tempotech, and I can manage my store. So here I can do things like add a store description. We'll say Tempotech is a brand that fuses music and technology. And I can also give it a brand personality. So we can say something like friendly, music loving. I can update it. And now my brand is ready to go. Anytime I publish products, they'll have a friendly and music-loving brand personality. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions at all about setting up PrintJourney or connecting it to Printify, be sure to leave a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.